Introducing AAD Drivetrain Systems KZN. Service dealer of FAW trucks. Overhaul dealer of Allison transmission. Service dealer and installer of Telma magnetic retarders. Service and sales dealer of Dulevo street sweepers. Located at 23 Kyalami Road, Westmead, Durban. Durability and longevity service support. Whether you're on or off-road, we have you covered. RMI and MIWA accredited. FAW additional services. Hydraulic fitments for various applications. In chassis twin bin side tipper hydraulics. Fuel tanker power packs. Other fitments on request. Bullbars. Fuel transport compliance modifications. Strobe and bar lights. Pop lights. Windscreen protectors. Allison transmission. #1 commercial vehicle automatic transmission globally. Mechanical repairs. Electrical repairs. Transmission overhauls. PTO fitments. Allison part sales. Telma magnetic retarders. #1 magnetic retarder globally. Unit fitments. Repairs. Inspections. Parts. Dulevo street sweepers. The #1 street sweeper globally. Unit sales, services, repairs and parts. Don't delay, call us now for assistance.